Don't forget, folks, if you've gotten Ivan's ECU flash, they recommend you remove any data input from the O2 sensor. There are a couple of options. You can leave the O2 sensor in the exhaust pipe and simply unplug the cable from the ECU, or you can completely remove the O2 sensor cable from the bike, ensuring you plug the new hole in your exhaust with an 18mm bung plug, like this one. Now, I called Freedom Performance and they confirmed the plug size, 18mm. I personally thought it was smaller, but apparently he didn't think so. Wrong. This is the O2 sensor from this bike, a 2017 Raider. Not believing the guy at Freedom Performance, I went to a local hardware store to gauge the threads. They're 10mm, not 18. M10 by 1.125 to be exact. The sharp curve radius does take an 18mm plug in the top pipe. The bottom pipe takes 10mm. Good luck finding one. Luckily I did. I'll have an Amazon link for you under the video. You'll want to look for Vance & Hines 10mm sensor plug kit 16926. Like I said, there's an affiliate link under the video to get yours. Please use it. Helps me out. And that's about it. No matter what set of pipes you have, make sure you don't forget this crucial step if you do an Ivan's flash on your Raider. See you out there.